Hello everyone, welcome to Geeky Nerd. Today we will begin the final part of the aptitude topic ages. We will be discussing few scenarios where the fundamental concept of ages would be employed. With this video, we conclude the aptitude topic ages. Before proceeding further, I hope that everyone would have learned and practiced the problems related to the aptitude topic ages thoroughly. If you have not seen them, click on the card or the links in the bio. It is recommended to learn all the videos thoroughly such that you can master any question from this aptitude topic. At the end of this video, we will be able to understand how the ages of people can be calculated comparing the past, present and future scenarios. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more interesting concepts and shortcut methods for solving them. Let's head into the video. Jayesh is as much younger to Anil as he is elder to Prashant. If the sum of the ages of Anil and Prashant is 48 years, what is the age of Jayesh? X equal to Jayesh's age, Y equal to Anil's age, and Z equal to Prashant's age. So it is given that sum of ages of Prashant and Anil is equal to 48. Therefore, y plus z is equal to 48, which will be first equation. It is also given that Jayesh is as much younger to Anil as he is elder to Prashant. That is, if Jayesh is younger to Anil by some years, by the same years he is elder to Prashant. So on the left hand side Anil will be greater and on the right hand side Jayesh will be greater. Therefore on solving this equation we get 2x is equal to y plus z. So this is equation 2. Putting 1 in 2 we get 2x is equal to 48. Therefore, x is equal to 24. By solving this equation, we found out that age of Jayesh is equal to 24. Moving on to the next question. Aisha's father was 38 years of age when she was born, while her mother was 36 years old when her brother 4 years younger to her was born. So we assume we need to consider here two categories, namely Aisha birth and Aisha's brother's birth. So when Aisha was born, father is equal to 38 years. When Aisha's brother was born, mother was 36 years. Difference in age between Aisha and brother is equal to 4. So we need to find what is the difference between the age of her parents. So it is clear that when Aisha was born, her father was 38 years. So when Aisha's brother would have been born after 4 years, since the difference between them is 4. That is, Aisha's brother was born 4 years later to Aisha's birth. So this understanding is very important. So by this we can say that Aisha's father's age is equal to 38 plus 4, which is equal to 42 when brother was born. That is when Aisha's brother was born. So we know that Aisha's mother age when Aisha's brother was born as 36. Therefore, difference in age is equal to 42 minus 36, which is equal to 6 years. The whole fulcrum of the question lies in this point. Aisha's brother was born 4 years later to Aisha. If Aisha's father's age was 38 when Aisha was born, then surely his age would also have been increased by 4 when his son was born. Therefore, Aisha's father's age becomes 42. We know both Aisha's father and Aisha's mother's age when Aisha's brother was born. Therefore, finding the difference between the ages, we get 6 years. Moving on to the next question. At present, Palash is 3 times Arnav's age. So, we will assume that let X be Palash's age and Y be Arnav's age. After 7 years, Palash's age will be twice Arnav's age. So given at present x is to y is equal to 3 is to 1, that is present, and x plus 7 is to y plus 7 is equal to 2 is to 1. Therefore, as per the basic concept of ages we know, x plus n divided by y plus n is equal to p by q. Since they have given in future, x is equal to 3k, y is equal to k. Therefore, 3k by 7 plus 3k plus 7 by k plus 7 is equal to 2 by 1. Upon solving, we get 3k plus 7 is equal to 2k plus 14, which in turn will give k equal to 7. So we found out k equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 21 and y is equal to 7. So these two are present ages. What they are asking is, how many time will Palash's age be in another 14 years time with respect to Arnav's age then? Listen carefully, this is a trickier part of the question. They are asking how many times will Palash's age be in another 14 years time with respect to Arnav's age then. So immediately what everyone would think that we need to add 14 on both the places such that x becomes 35 and y becomes 21, and we need to find how many times x is of y. But that is not the case. Here they are not asking to add Palash's age. They just need to know the relation between Palash's current age and Arnav's age after 14 years. Here, Palash's age will remain the same, whereas Arnav's age will be increased by 14. That is, after 14 years, this is not like every concept where we added both. So after 14 years, Arnav's age is equal to 21. That is 7 plus 14 is equal to 21. We are just finding an imaginary relationship between Palash's current age and Arnav's age after 14 years. Therefore, Palash's age will be 1 time with respect to Arnav's age after 14 years, because 21 by 21 will give 1. So the main part of the question is to understand that the relationship is between Palash's current age and Arnav's age after 14 years, and not both the ages after 14 years. Through the 5 videos of the aptitude topic ages, we learn how the ages of different people can be determined under various stipulations. We solve problems via both the shortcut and traditional methods for the convenience of the listeners. With this video, we have successfully completed the aptitude topic ages. Once again, I insist all the viewers to practice solving more and more problems to increase their confidence. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Also convey it to your friends such that they can be benefited. Until we meet in the next aptitude topic, thank you.